Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, we are analyzing the USDJPY currency pair on January 29, 2025. We'll be combining recent news and events with a detailed technical chart analysis across various timeframes. Recent news suggests a mixed outlook for USDJPY. The Federal Reserve's recent decision to hold rates steady while maintaining a mildly hawkish stance has created uncertainty in the market. Meanwhile, the Bank of Japan's rate hike decision has led to some stabilization in the yen. This conflicting information is reflected in recent USDJPY price action. Let's begin our chart analysis by focusing on the daily timeframe. We see a period of consolidation in early October, followed by a notable surge around October 31st, indicating potential bullish momentum. This price movement may be correlated with the conflicting news surrounding the Fed and the BOJ. Notice the subsequent pullback and another period of consolidation. This illustrates the struggle for dominance between bullish and bearish forces. We also see a significant drop in the price in mid-November. It's important to note the volume during this period, as high volume often signals strong conviction. Now, let's examine the 1-hour chart to gain a finer understanding of recent price action. This closer view will reveal more significant details. This range of 1-hour candles reveals significant volatility within that timeframe, often indicative of rapid market sentiment shifts. The 15-minute chart provides an even more granular perspective on USDJPY. We can identify short-term support and resistance levels more precisely. These candles may be useful for identifying entries and exits in shorter trading strategies. Looking at all three timeframes, we can observe a clear trend from the beginning of January. The price demonstrates a clear upward trend with periods of consolidation and small corrections throughout. The longer-term trend may be influenced by factors such as global economic conditions and geopolitical events. Short-term, it's crucial to monitor the price action around immediate support and resistance levels, which are constantly changing. This will give you clear entry and exit points for your trades. Breaks above or below these levels can signal further price movements. Let's highlight some key price levels. We see potential support around 154 and potential resistance around 156. In the long term, however, these levels are less significant, although they could reinforce short-term predictions. These predictions are not guarantees, and changes in global market sentiment or policy shifts could alter the trajectory. It's highly likely that the price will continue to consolidate as the overall trend remains uncertain. The relative strength of the US dollar against the Japanese yen will need to be considered. Events such as upcoming economic data releases and central bank announcements could significantly influence USDJPY. The likelihood of a substantial price movement will depend on the resolution of current geopolitical uncertainties. Any significant news regarding the Japanese economy or U.S. monetary policy will have considerable influence on the price. In summary, while the short-term outlook for USDJPY remains uncertain, the long-term trend is dependent on various economic factors and news. Continuous monitoring of these indicators is critical to making informed trading decisions.